Welcome students. Let us discuss today the female reproductive system. आज पिला में female reproductive system विषय पढ़िया. The female reproductive system consists of many organs. The organs are one pair of ovaries, one pair of fallopian tubes, one uterus, one vagina, one pair of Bartholin's glands, and many mammary glands. These organs they together form the female reproductive system as a whole. Let us go to the diagram. So in the diagram, dear students, you can find these are two ovaries. These are two fallopian tubes. This is uterus. This is vagina. And here there are two glands called as Bartholin's glands and mammary glands. They together form the female reproductive system. Regarding these two ovaries, first discuss about the ovary. There are two ovaries, you see, two ovaries, 1, 2. Each ovary is a almond shape, pista badam manji bholi, 1 to 3 centimeter in length, 8 millimeter in thickness, rough in surface. And the ovary is connected with the uterus with the help of a ligament called as ovarian ligament. So this is ovarian ligament. These are ovarian ligaments. Okay, and ovary is connected with the back of the body with the help of mesovarium. And ovary is found on, this is found on a ligament called broad ligament. So regarding the internal structure of ovary, you can see in this diagram, it is the internal structure of ovary, that is, it is TS of ovary. So in the TS of ovary, you can find this is outer covering of ovary called tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea, you know. In testis also, in males, the outer covering of testis is tunica albuginea. And this is mesovarium, connection of ovary with the body. And this is the internal part. In the internal part, you can see outer portion called cortex and the middle portion called stroma. In the cortical area, cortex area by bahar anchalare, at one side you can find here a structure called egg nest. Here many large numbers in thousands, at the age of 2, about 20,000 small globular structures you can see, very small. Okay, round structures are found. These round structures are called as primary follicles. You can see here primary follicles. When the girl attain puberty at the age of 10 to 12, out of many follicles, one grow. Out of all these, one grow. That grow to become mature. This is called mature Graafian follicle. You see here, mature Graafian follicle. It is a matured one. And in the mature Graafian follicle, you can see this is theca externa, थिका इंटरना, membrana granulosa, discus proligerus, it is egg, it is germ hill, it is follicular cavity, here filled with a liquid called liquor folliculi. ये जो मैच्योर फोलिकल तुम देखुच एटा आ भितर एग अच्छी एग चारिपटे गोटे मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी ना हूँ डिस्कस प्रोलिजेरस ता चारिपटे गोटे मेम्ब्रेन अच्छी ना हूँ मेम्ब्रेना ग्रानुलोसा ता मझिरे गोटे केविटी अच्छी केविटी ना हूँ फोलिकुलर केविटी एवं ता चारिपटे दीटा आवरण अच्छी थिका इंटरना और थिका एक्सटर्ना एटा हूँ मैच्योर ग्राफियन फोलिकल ये जो स्मॉल फोलिकलटा ग्रो करके सी बड़ हो जाए देन व्हाट हैपेंस देन the egg is released to outside egg is released this process of egg this is egg released the process is called as ovulation so the follicle is ruptured सी भांगी गला follicle टा भांगला पर egg टा बाहर पड़ला परे that becomes corpus luteum सी कोन हे जबो ना corpus luteum हे जबो you see here this is corpus luteum ये जो corpus luteum is a yellow colored gland that secrete hormones called progesterone hormone and small amount of estrogen hormone, some amount of relaxin hormone they secrete this. So the progesterone hormone help to maintain the pregnancy गर्भावस्था टाकू जारी रखिया पई एठू बाहरुथबा हार्मोन प्रोजेस्टेरोन आवश्यक. If there is no fertilization यदि समायन न हुए and no pregnancy गर्भावस्था सृष्टि न हुए then this structure corpus luteum is degenerated नष्ट हो जाए to become corpus albicans. ये होची corpus albicans. Then in the next month another follicle grow. So the follicle grow become denatured in 1 month. एटा तैयारी है कि बड़ है कि एक छाड़ी की corpus luteum है कि नष्ट होबा को गोटे मास लगे 28 दिन लगे. And this corpus albicans formation is the end of the development of the follicle. So this is the internal structure of ovary, that is TS of ovary. Next go to the again the same diagram. This is fallopian tube. How many fallopian tubes are there? 2. This is 1. This is 1. Each fallopian tube has 3 parts. This portion is called infundibulum. This portion is called infundibulum. This portion is called ampulla. This portion is called ampulla. This portion is called infundibulum. And this portion is called isthmus. Isthmus. This fallopian tube is also called oviduct because after the release of egg into here, egg ta ethi baharile, the fallopian tube carry the egg into the uterus. Egg is carried by the fallopian tube, so it is called as the oviduct. And for a female family planning, here the fallopian tubes can be cut and tied. A tube जाक को काटी दिया जिवो एवं ओल्ड डिग्री बांधी दिया जिवो. And this process like this is called as a tubectomy. That is a female family planning process. Then come to uterus. This is uterus. There is a single uterus. Uterus has 2 parts. Upper part is called body and the lower part is called cervix. Body and cervix. Body is wider, cervix is narrow. In between body and cervix you will find a pore. This pore is called internal os. Internal os. And between cervix and vagina you will find another pore called external os. Internal os and external os. The uterus is about 6 to 7 centimeters in length.